Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Canva AI as a beginner. It is pretty simple to use. I'm not going to go too much into it since this is a tutorial for beginners, but let's get started. Select Canva AI. It's in the homepage. What did I say? Canva AI so weirdly. Anyways, you can design an image. Well, design a poster, you can create an image, draft a document, code for me, and even create a video clip, but you do need Pro for that. So let's see, draft a document. So for instance, let's do a story, for instance, okay. Write me a story on the importance of washing your hands. Press enter, and it's going to gather some ideas and create a document, draft a document that you can edit later. This is what it looks like. Super cool. You can then use Canva editor if you want to edit that further. You can also design for me, for instance, a presentation. Audience, let's say educational, style, you have these options to use. Let's do playful. Length, let's do short and sharp. Again, I'll do the importance of recycling maybe, and then press enter, and it's going to immediately give you this presentation. It'll write down first, and then after you've seen the outline, here you can kind of edit it. You can then generate design. And they'll show you some design examples that you can... Actually, I don't know if they'll give examples, but they'll give you some designs, and then you can pick, I think. Why is it taking so long? But yeah, you can generate pictures, videos. It's pretty much up to you. It's the simplest way to create something if you don't have the time. As you can see here, super cute. Oh, I like this one. So you can do that. You can then use Canva editor if you want to edit that further, as I said before. Yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Here you can change the color of the design by just pressing on the color combinations that they have here. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.